Samsung completely changed the Fold lineup in 2026. For the first time, buyers are not choosing between a standard Fold and a slightly upgraded version. Instead, Samsung created two foldables with completely different identities. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 introduces an all-new short and wide design focused on entertainment, portability, and everyday usability. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra takes the opposite approach, refining the traditional Fold formula with a larger display, flagship cameras, and productivity-focused features. So which one deserves your money? Let's compare the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra to find out. Enjoy! The biggest difference between these devices appears the moment you pick them up. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 introduces Samsung's new short and wide design philosophy. At 201 grams, it is the lightest Galaxy Fold ever made. The wider outer display feels more natural for typing, scrolling, and quick tasks without opening the phone. When unfolded, the 7.6-inch display uses a wider 4:3 format that resembles a compact tablet. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra takes a different approach. It keeps the familiar tall book-style design that Fold users have known for years. Despite carrying larger displays, Samsung managed to reduce thickness to just 4.1 millimeters when unfolded. The Ultra weighs 215 grams, which is still impressive for a premium foldable with an 8-inch inner display. If portability is your priority, the Fold 8 has the advantage. If you prefer a more traditional Fold experience, the Ultra feels instantly familiar. Both phones use Samsung's latest Flex titanium display technology with significantly reduced crease visibility compared to previous generations. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 features a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main display with a resolution of 2448 by 1848 and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The 5.5-inch cover display may sound small on paper, but its wider shape makes everyday interactions surprisingly comfortable. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra steps things up with an 8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display. Resolution increases to 2500 4 by 2256, delivering a sharper 422 pixels per inch pixel density. The larger 6.5-inch cover display also behaves much more like a traditional smartphone screen. Both devices reach up to 3000 nits of peak brightness and support adaptive refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Outdoor visibility and smoothness are excellent on both models. For media consumption, the Fold 8's wider layout has unique advantages. For multitasking, reading documents, and productivity, the Ultra's larger canvas wins. Both smartphones are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. Samsung pairs the chipset with 12 GB RAM on most configurations, while 1 TB Ultra models can be configured with 16 GB RAM. Storage options are identical, ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. Whether you are gaming, editing photos, using Galaxy AI features, or running multiple applications simultaneously, performance is virtually identical. Both devices launch with Android 17 and One UI 9, alongside Samsung's commitment to 7 years of software updates. The Ultra may offer slightly better sustained performance due to enhanced cooling, but real-world differences are unlikely to be noticeable for most users. The The camera category is where the Ultra clearly separates itself. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 features a 50-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. For everyday photography, social media content, travel photos, and casual shooting, this setup is more than capable. However, the Fold 8 Ultra enters flagship camera territory. Samsung equips it with a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a dedicated 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. The additional telephoto camera dramatically increases flexibility. Portraits, distant subjects, and zoom photography benefit immediately. The 200-megapixel sensor also captures more detail and offers better cropping potential. Video creators gain access to advanced recording tools, enhanced nightography features, and professional shooting options unavailable on the standard Fold 8. If photography matters, the Ultra is the obvious choice. Samsung equips both foldables with next-generation silicon carbon battery technology. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 includes a 4,800 mAh battery, while the Ultra increases capacity slightly to 5,000. Charging specifications remain identical. Both support 45 watts wired charging, 20 watts wireless charging, and wireless power share. Although the Ultra has a larger battery, it also powers larger displays. As a result, real-world endurance differences may not be as dramatic as the numbers suggest. Most users should comfortably get through a full day on either device. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 starts at $1,899, while the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra begins at $2,099, creating a $200 difference. For the extra cost, the Ultra features larger displays, a thinner design, a 200-megapixel main camera with a dedicated telephoto lens, a slightly larger 5,000 mAh battery, and enhanced video recording. Both models, however, share the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, software experience, storage options, IP48 rating, and charging speeds. Consequently, everyday performance is similar. Most buyers will find better value in the Galaxy Z Fold 8, which offers the essential foldable experience at a lower price. Thank you for tuning in. Choosing between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra comes down to priorities. Both share the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and premium build quality. The Fold 8 is lighter, more practical, and offers better value, while the Fold 8 Ultra features larger displays and a 200-megapixel camera system, making it the more complete device. If budget isn't a concern, the Ultra is the clear choice. Which one would you prefer? Let us know in the comments.